Hello children, welcome back to our lesson. House, Shelter for All, Part 2. In Part 1, we learned about different types of houses and types of roofs. Do you remember? Good. Today, we will learn about facilities in a house. Neat and tidy house. And about homeless people. Come on children, let's learn together. Look at the mind map. Facilities of the house. Kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, lights, fans, water taps, windows, cupboards. Before going to the topic, let's learn some new keywords. Tidy. Everything is in its right place. Garbage. Waste or things we throw away. First, we will see common facilities in a house. To live happily, we need some important facilities in a house. Let's see one by one. Kitchen. We cook yummy food here. Bedroom. We sleep and take rest here. Living room. We sit with our family and watch TV. Bathroom. We take a bath and stay clean. Toilet. We use this when we need to go to the washroom. Fans. They keep us cool. Lights. Help us see when it's dark. Windows. Bring in fresh air and sunlight. Water tap. Gives us clean water to drink and wash with. Cupboard. We keep clothes and other things inside. Parking space. A place to keep our car or bike. All these things help us to live safely, happily, and comfortably in our house. Let's think and learn. Some people live in a house with 2 rooms. In one room, they cook and eat food. In the other room, they watch TV, study, and sleep. Some families live in a house with only 1 room. They do everything in that 1 room. Cooking, eating, studying, and sleeping. Now, let's think about your house. And write about the facilities of your house in home assessment. Next, have a look at neat and tidy house. Some houses have many things. Some have few. But all houses should be clean. When we keep things in the correct place, the house looks nice. When things are all around, the house looks messy. It is not easy to live in a dirty house. Right, children? Big or small, we must keep our house clean. Every house gets a little dirty every day. Am I right? We should clean our house. We should help our family to keep the house clean. Where do we throw garbage from our house? In the dustbin. Then we give it to the garbage collector. Don't throw garbage on the road. Is it clear to you? Very good. A clean house keeps us healthy and happy. Next, the people living without houses. Some people do not have a house. We call them homeless people. They sleep on footpaths, under bridges, or inside big pipes. They do not have a safe place to sleep, cook food, or stay when it rains or gets cold. Why don't they have a house? Some people don't have the money to buy or rent a house. Some people lost their houses because of floods or fires. Some people have no family to help them. We should always be kind to homeless people. They need help and care from others to live a better life. I hope you all understand the lesson. Points to remember. Keep your things in the right place. Throw garbage in the dustbin. Help people who don't have a house. Always keep your house clean and tidy. Great job, children. Keep learning. Don't forget to do your home assessment. Bye, children.